So recently me and one of my friends took a trip out to LA for some work projects, and on the way back we stopped by the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah. And that's where I decided I really wanted to make a car commercial. Now, unfortunately, we didn't have a Ferrari or a Corvette or anything very flashy to shoot with. All we had was my mom's minivan, which isn't the most fun thing to shoot. But what was cool about the shoot was the location, and that's really half the battle when it comes to a car commercial, is having a really cool place to shoot it. And we shot this about 9 in the morning, so that comes to one of my first points, is shoot your commercial either really early in the morning or later in the evening around golden hour. This way you can make your car look the best it can with all natural lighting. So nowadays, most car commercials are all based on narrative. They try to tug at your heartstrings. They try actually avoiding cars itself and try to do more about stories like a family's safety, or you are super amazing and that's why you should buy this car. Well, me and my friend didn't really have that much time to think about a narrative for this commercial. What we decided to do instead of a narrative is really lean on the suspense aspect of the video. In the first few shots, they're very long, drawn out, establishing shots. Everything's over dramatized to kind of lean on that what is going to happen next aspect. So this is all followed by very quick cuts of him starting the car, because we wanted to add energy and life to the video and make it feel like a ton of things are happening at once, when in reality he's just starting the car and pressing the gas. I used a Ronin S to get a lot of the outside of the car shots, like the wheel moving and the car moving away. And then the last few shots I used the DJI Phantom 4 to get those real dramatic exiting shots, and I thought that turned out pretty good. Now, most of this commercial really comes down to your post-production editing. Another thing to really grab the viewer's attention is adding sound effects to finish and complete that actual image. A lot of those quick shots on the inside of the car really wouldn't be that cool without sound effects. Even the littlest thing like turning the key, stepping on the gas, the speedometer moving up and down, that really makes the viewing experience way more enjoyable. Yeah. Another really key factor to this video was voiceover. Now, it's a very cliche thing to add, but it works really well. So me and my friend Callan also worked on getting some pretty hilarious, over-dramatic voiceover to add to the footage, and I think it turned out really good. So in post-production, I went through some basic color correction and added in some lens flares to some of the more mediocre shots to fill in some empty space. We only spent about an hour shooting this overall, and I really like the way it turned out. If you'd like to see a 2006 Toyota Sienna commercial, there's a link below to the full video. Go ahead and watch it if you want. I hope you enjoyed this kind of behind the scenes thought process of making it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.